Yeah, hello. So you probably watched this video because you have some kind of Bluetooth headphones where the battery doesn't charge anymore and so they don't work anymore. And I kind of have the same problem here with my JBL Reflect Bluetooth Mini headphones, and so they still work. So you can see here I can still turn them on. So you see that by the blue LED here, or you can see this in the close-up. So they still work, but I have trouble charging them. And I have trouble charging them, but they're not broken. So how does it go together? And let me go back a little bit and show you something. So the behavior that I'm seeing here. So I have here my charging cable, and it's a regular micro USB charging cable. And I also have here my charging cube. This is like an original JBL charging cube. And I plug this cable in here. And then I connect this here to my headphones, here to the remote. That's where you plug it in. And you can see here, it doesn't charge. Alright. So this is all the way in, and it simply doesn't want to charge. So now let's have a look at what could possibly go wrong here. So which parts could be failing? So it could either, for one, could be the headphones themselves, but it could also be a bad micro USB cable here. So if this doesn't work and it doesn't let the power through, then you can't charge your headphones. Or it could also be here my little charging cube. So how do we test out all the different components here? So to check the cable and the charging cube, I have here another pair of headphones. And I'm just going to use those here. I'm going to try to charge these headphones with the same cable, and let's see what happens. So I have here the charging port, and here is the LED that indicates if these headphones are charging. As you can see here, let me go really close. You can see here the LED is lit up. So that means the charging cube and the charging cable should be okay, since they are charging these pair of headphones. And then let me just triple check here. I have here this sound gear that also is being charged with this micro USB cable. It's right here. Let's see if this works. So let's put it in here. And let's see. And also here the LED lights up as soon as I plug in the charging cable. So I think it's fair to say that this charging cable and the charging cube are both okay. So now it's pretty easy to say, okay, these headphones just don't charge anymore. They're broken, I have to throw them away. But this is actually not the case. So I've been using here this really cheap micro USB cable that I don't even know where it came from. And I'm not using the original cable or a JBL cable that came with like JBL headphones. I have here a different cable, and this time here I have here this real original JBL micro USB cable. And if you take a look at this here, I don't know if you can see this here. Let me go really close. Let's see if we can get this to get really good. So here, and you can see, I don't know if you can see, but these are the same ports. They should work together, right? And they don't for some reason. And now let's see how this cable works with those headphones. So I plug this one in. And let's see here. I got the remote ready. And I plug this one in here. Just like that. And look at this. And you can see it is charging here with the original cable, as opposed to not working with like some other cable. So in case you have troubles charging your JBL headphones, just like my Reflect Mini here, then maybe just try using like an original cable in case you're not using that right now. Because even if this other cable works with other devices, does not mean that it's going to work with these kind of headphones. Alright, so yeah, I hope this video was helpful. Let me know if you have similar problems and if this advice here or this test here was able to help you.